Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create a subdomain using Cloudflare. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, let me tell you what Cloudflare actually said about this. So if I go over there, you will see something like this, create a subdomain. And to create a subdomain, you just need to first of all obviously connect your subdomain or domain to your host, obviously. And after that, it's a very simple process. You just need to add DNS records on your Cloudflare. So what does that mean? If you have a GoDaddy domain, let's say, and this is the GoDaddy domain which I usually use, right? So I'm going to use this one as my subdomain and whichever the website has been connected to my Cloudflare. So what you're going to do is just copy the data from over here, and after that just go to your Cloudflare, select your website. As you can see at the top left corner, I just blurred it out, and once you are over here, click on records, and these are the records, right? So just a simple thing, just click on add record, and after that you just need to enter the type, name, and IPv4 address. That's it. Enter all of them over here and save that. It might take some time to connect, but when it's done, your subdomain has been created. And this pretty much it. This is all they wanted to do. And even though if it's a blog or store, you can use it as those domains. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to create a subdomain using Cloudflare. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.